Okay, it's March 10th, 2021. Here at the vessel Ocelot. I've cleaned the starboard side and the running gear. I've cleaned the inside pontoon on the port side, but I have not cleaned the prop. And working on the outside next. So I'm going to show you where it has been cleaned real quick. And I'm going to show you the zinc on the shaft. Then we'll get that cleaned up. Then we'll take a quick look at the side I have cleaned. The zincs were put on 1 month ago. There's already a little bit of burn to them. It doesn't seem to be as bad as the last location.